Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify Hamster Kombat, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Hamster Kombat in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen. So you need to tap on that link and you'll be redirected to the official page of the Hamster Kombat game, where you can see there is a Play Now button at the bottom of this page. So you need to tap on the Play Now, and yeah, make sure you have already downloaded the Telegram and you already have an account on Telegram as well. So now you can see there is a two option in here. First one is play in one click, and another one is play, which is at the bottom left corner of this section. So you can choose any of them because the process can't be same. So let me tap on the play in one click for now, and you can see you will be able to access the Hamster Kombat, which is basically a mini app. So once you open it, you can see there is a 4 option in here: daily reward, daily cipher, daily combo, and mini game. So you can see you need to tap on the daily combo, and you can see there is a legal option at the middle of this section, which is just right side of this markets option. So let's tap on the legal, and you can see there is a lots of option to verify Hamster Kombat in here. So you can see there is a KYC at the very first, which basically means know your customer. So once you tap on this option, you can see implement know your customer verification to identify users. So you can see once you tap on the go ahead, you will be able to earn $11 coin per hour, and it will cost you $110 coin. But if you are beginner, then it will cost you 100 for very first, and it will increase afterwards. So let me tap on the go ahead for now, and you can see this is how you can verify Hamster Kombat successfully. So basically this is how you can verify Hamster Kombat, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.